Hi, my name is Indrajit Joseph, and today my PowerPoint presentation is about the Sikh religion, which is a religion that I closely follow. The founder of Sikhism, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, was born in the 15th century in the northern India, which is now Pakistan. Guru Nanak's teaching emphasized that there's one universal God and that everyone should lead a selfless life for humankind and living a truthful life and serving others that are in need. In the Sikh religion, we have 10 living gurus. Each guru taught different lessons throughout their lives to their followers. These teachings of the 10 gurus are written down in scripture in our holy book called the Guru Granth Sahib, which can be found in any gurdwara around the world. In the Sikh religion, a guru means teacher and a Sikh means pupil. In today's day and age, you can probably identify a Sikh as someone wearing a turban, but they're also identified by something we call the 5Ks, which is among which they wear all the time. One is kesh, which is long uncut hair, ganga, which is a comb to keep their hair neat and tidy, a kirpan, which is a dagger for self-defense, a kashera, which is long shorts, and a gada, which is a steel bracelet or bangle. And these are on their persons all the time. In the Sikh religion, our place of worship is called a gurdwara, and the most holiest of our gurdwara is called the Gaura Temple, which is in northern India in the state of Punjab, called Amritsar. Made of gold, this gurdwara attracts 40 million people per year, and also it has a free kitchen which serves vegetarian food to up to 50,000 people per day, every day, regardless of their religion, creed, sex or colour, and it can feed up to 100,000 people per day on special occasions. Outside of India, you can find Sikhs anywhere around the world, and after India, the most populated country with Sikhs is the USA, with Canada and the United Kingdom closely followed by closely. Sikhs is a warrior race, and Sikhs have been in the military for hundreds of years, and in World War I and World War II, Sikhs were in the military and fought with the Allies. Sikhs have been serving in the United States military for over 100 years. Traditionally, Sikhs have always made their living in agriculture and farming, but as decades have gone by, you can find Sikhs in a variety of jobs. Obviously, as before mentioned, you can find them in the military, you can find them in law, like Attorney General of New York, Pete Brar, and also as CEOs, like AJ Banga, who was an ex-CEO of MasterCard. And also you can find them in the medical profession as doctors, surgeons and nurses as well. Sikhs have lived in America since the 1900s, arriving first in Berlin and Washington. As mentioned before, there's about 700,000 Sikhs all across the United States. The first gurdwara was built in 1912 in Stockton, and there are 35,000 Sikhs living in the Fresno area, with Yuba City having the highest concentration of Sikhs in California. One note that I didn't find out until a couple of years ago, Leonardo DiCaprio's stepmother is also a devout Sikh and a baptized Sikh, which is interesting for me to know. And that's the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for your time.